DJI's new Avata360 starts at just $2,988 CNY $489, a price that completely resets the benchmark for flagship panoramic drones. Tempting, isn't it? Even better, it comes with DJI's mature ecosystem support. If you're an existing user, you can upgrade at a low cost. If you already own a DJI controller or motion kit, you can just buy the drone itself and complete the upgrade. Talk about being user-friendly. Despite its affordable price, the specs don't compromise at all. It features dual 1-inch large sensor cameras, capturing more detail in low light and delivering top-notch image quality. Paired with the flagship O4 Plus transmission system, it ensures stable flight and strong anti-interference performance. You can also add the optional 4G signal booster for uninterrupted connectivity. For creators, both image quality and latency are fully covered, breaking the stereotype that cost equals poor performance. It's especially considerate for beginners, with full coverage protection and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance to significantly reduce crash risks. You can control it precisely with the controller or fly via motion gestures. Just turn your wrist to pilot, offering a highly immersive experience and easy learning curve. This high-tech, safe, and easy-to-use panoramic drone could very well redefine the market. Whether you're a newcomer wanting to try panoramic shooting or a professional in a compact, agile drone, the Avata360 looks set to become a popular choice. Clearly, DJI aims to create a comprehensive panoramic imaging solution for everyone. Get ready to take off, aerial fleet awaits.